In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Trello to PDF. Let's dive right into it. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to Trello. This is where all the magic happens, so open up your web browser and navigate to the Trello website. If you haven't already signed in, you'll need to select your preferred method of logging in. You could use options like your Google account, Microsoft account, or log in directly with your Trello credentials. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the Trello board you want to export. This is a crucial step because the process we'll follow is specific to each board. Navigate to the board's main view, so you have a good overview of all your lists and cards. Next, you'll want to set up a power-up. For those of you who aren't familiar, power-ups are Trello's way of extending functionality on a board. Locate the power-ups option, typically available at the top of your board. If you can't see it right away, you might need to open the board's menu to find it. After accessing the Power-Ups menu, search for Board Export. You'll be looking specifically for Board Export that allows for exports to Excel, CSV, and importantly, PDF. Add this Power-Up to your board. Once it's installed, you should see a button appear somewhere at the top of your board, labeled Board Export. Go ahead and click that button. Now it's time to choose the specific lists you want to export. This step adds a lot of flexibility because you can select just parts of your board if you don't need a full board export. Locate the option to select your desired export format, which for us is PDF. This is the format that will make sharing and printing your Trello board simplest. Before you finalize the export, you'll see options to include various fields such as checklists, comments, and additional card details. This allows you to customize what information exactly gets included in the final PDF file. Once you've made those selections, click the Export button. Alternatively, there's a built-in Trello option, though it lacks some customization. Open the Trello board you wish to export. Navigate to the top right menu, select More, and then Print and Export. From here, you can use the Print function to print to a PDF. Just choose your operating system's Print to PDF option, and voila, you've downloaded the PDF file to your computer. And there you have it, folks. Whether you use a Power-Up or Trello's built-in export functionality, exporting your Trello board to a PDF is a breeze. This can be incredibly useful for sharing with team members or keeping a backup offline. Thanks for watching and happy exporting!